Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Forest River Work and Play 2025 WQB. Go ahead and come on inside, we'll take a look. As you can see, the nice solid step entry stairs. These fold up into the doorway. And as you come back into the cargo area, you have two couches that go up to the ceiling. When these come down, they'll fold up against the wall. And then this package here comes with the back patio, so you can lay your ramp out flat, put your handle or your handrails out, and have a nice back patio set up. There's also a nice big bunk up here. And then as you come around this way into the kitchen area, nice big stainless steel double sink. And up here, tons of storage. As you can see, this is pass through, so tons of capacity there. Three drawers there. Two storage compartments under the sink. Two more larger drawers under the oven here. As you can see, these are nice and deep, they go way back. Two burner cooktop. The nice thing about these cooktops is you could actually put two pans on them, and a cool work and play backsplash. A nice convection microwave. And as you get into the fridge, easy open handles. Tons of room in there. And then more storage here on this side. And that goes all the way back, so it's nice and deep. Good sized TV here, dual speakers above, and the subwoofer below. And then as you come back into the restroom, I'll meet you guys on the other side here. You can see Jack and Jill doors, corner shower with glass doors, nice sized sink, storage underneath with a mirror, and then another mirror over here with vanity storage, and a nice corner toilet, very accessible and easy to use. And then back into the bedroom here. As you can see, storage on both sides. This is nice and deep with a hanger for clothes and a nice big storage above. And then under the bed, another good amount of storage with two drawers there opposite. Makes it nice and handy. And you've got power on both sides, USB and 110. So if you can plug in your devices, and you have little cubby holes there for everything. And as you come around outside, you'll notice marine grade speakers out here, a power awning with LED light that goes all the way across. And around the back here, an easy drop gate. You turn the key here and it comes down power, nice and easy to use. And over here you have the fuel station. Nice thing about the fuel station, you fill this up, you don't have to carry around a bunch of gas cans for all your toys. Everything is nice and easy to get to. Gasoline fill, fresh water connection, black tank flush, city water connection. And then this guy comes with a 4,000 evap Cummins generator. And then around the front here you have the power tongue jack. And then again, this is the 2019 Forest River Work and Play 25 WQB. If you have any questions or would like to come take a look at it, my name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. You can give me a call or shoot me a text, 541-731-8583. Thank you.